Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm doing some breakfast meal prep. So I just got started with unthawing some sausage, and then I'm going to heat up some ham and green peppers before I start on my eggs. Now I am removing the ham and green peppers to another plate, and I will put them back in when my scrambled eggs are just about done. I had fried up some sausage in this pan here, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started on my eggs. Like I said before, now that my scrambled eggs are done, I'm going to add my peppers and my ham back, and then I'm going to put it in our meal prep containers. I got these at Walmart for super cheap. Now I'm just heating up some olive oil in my electric skillet because I'm going to fry up these potatoes. I think next time I will bake them because they took a long time to cook in this skillet. I am seasoning these potatoes with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and just a little bit of paprika. Now that the sausage has cooled down so I can actually touch it, I'm going to cut these up, and this is what's going to go on top of my husband's eggs. I ended up moving the potatoes over to a skillet on the stove because my electric skillet was cooking them, but they were not getting crispy, so I went ahead and moved them to this pan. As you can see, Half of these meal prep containers have bacon, and that is actually for me. I prefer bacon over sausage, and my husband likes sausage over bacon. Here I'm moving on to my overnight oats. These are super filling and actually really healthy. I will leave all the details to my recipe down below. I hope this video gave you the motivation to meal prep your breakfast. I hope it also gave you some ideas for breakfast. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.